What up, tubers? This is Ray, the old DOS Geek. If you've been found out affiliate marketing, you're not alone. Allow me to guide you through all the mistakes I've made and how to recover from them. If you're having problems with your affiliate thing, getting it going, any questions whatsoever, whatever you want to ask, throw it at me, okay? I'm here at my little weekend getaway in New Jersey somewhere. It's probably, I don't have my specs on. It's this time. Not bad. A little past the old man's bedtime. Okay. Now, gotta put these on. It's gonna be a little glare. I haven't gone over that one yet. Okay. Now, let's talk about the eBay affiliate program and Facebook. Okay. Now, I got the greatest thing with both of these. Okay. Made a lot of money in the past on both of them. They're difficult. I know. They're difficult. Okay. If you're already on eBay, you got a lot going on for you. Okay. You got a lot going on. Okay. Now, a while back, I mentioned it in my other video. Okay. I was born in the 60s. When I was a kid, my dad was a butcher. I collect a lot of knives. I used to make cigarette lighters for him. Okay. I had an extensive Star Trek collection. Okay. But I didn't mess with the eBay thing until, back in the 90s, I got on it because my computer customers, they wanted to start selling on it because that's when it really became, like over the top popular. Okay. Excuse me 1 second. Okay, sorry about that. A little dried up. A mold. Okay, a mold. Anyway, so I got on it just to help them do their thing on it. Okay, they wouldn't want to sell stuff. Long story short, I said this in my other video. My sister's camera broke, and I came on eBay and I said, hey, what the hell? Let me, I ordered the parts on eBay for like $6. I said, let me try my knife set and my Star Trek memorabilia. And that was until like 2013 or 2014. And I started making sales within 20 minutes. Now, if you're a good eBay, you know how to do it. It's a lot of work too. Okay. But you got to be straight up with it. It was very easy for me because in my computer business, especially in the beginning, I was ordering parts, I was selling parts, I was returning parts, so I knew all that process of shipping and handling, okay, because that's what you're essentially doing, okay, you're a merchandiser. And I figure out a way to drop ship on it, and that's another thing. I'll probably have like a course on doing that. I actually made a little blog about that a while back. I started a new way to eBay, drop shipping on it and everything, okay. Unfortunately, the COVID came around, and I made a couple of mistakes, so I got a little bit of a lower standard on eBay, okay, what they call like a below standard. Now, once you get knocked down on eBay, it's just like Facebook. Like Facebook, you make a mistake on Facebook, they're going to just chop your freaking head off, okay, and you're done. That's it. One little mistake, like in the beginning, you couldn't have a picture with more than, 20% text on it, and half of us didn't even know that existed, So this is my affiliate links on my Facebook. This is my other affiliate links. This is actually a link right to my, my own website, my affiliate website. Okay, through Aweber. In other words, I sent this email to my Aweber clients, my Aweber list. Okay, and it gives you the option to integrate with Facebook, and it automatically posts for you on Facebook. It's fantastic. Okay, so if they click here, I'm pretty sure, because this is pretty old. Okay, and this has been on autopilot. Okay, so this takes them right to my bridge page. Okay, Now this bridge page is definitely a Facebook friendly page because I have no, if you move the mouse and try and go off, I got no pop-ups on it. Okay. You know, and it's older, so I didn't really do a you know, VSL is a video sales letter, you know, on it. But this was actually an ebook that I took. It was an ebook from Ted's Plans, I believe it was, or wherever this is going to take us. And I turned it into this. Okay. Now this is, I put in here kind of like the AdSense. This is my affiliate link here. And this was an old account. It's probably not existing anymore. It's still going to take me there. But this was an old Amazon associate account that I integrated. So I took an ebook from my woodworking ClickBank affiliate, okay, and I made a bridge page on it. You know, I made a bridge page. Like, that's not working anymore. It's been a while. Okay. Okay, so this is I was all over the place with it. Okay, this is my video site. This was in one of my YouTube videos on how to make these free video sites with private label rights now. Okay. I'm not sure why that link went there, but again, this is old. You know, it's not something that I've been recently using. Okay. So now, what I wanted to talk to you about real quick was what you could do if you want to just try stuff, you know, like, because to sign up with eBay, it's free. And you'll have 50 products to sell. Okay. Now, you can sign up with them and not sell anything and just become an eBay affiliate. Go down to the bottom. Okay. There you go. An affiliate. My camera's messing up stuff. Okay. So you can go to and sign up to them. Don't sell anything. Okay. And this is just to start out. If you're just starting out, this is a great way to get your feet wet, so to speak, okay? And then go to Facebook, make a Facebook page, like a generic thing with your name or whatever. Even if you have a personal Facebook page, make a fan page, okay? And I'm not really here to teach you eBay and Facebook, okay? I'm here to show you how you do your affiliate web pages, okay? So you go to WebStarts, make a free, you know, subdomain. You get a free website with WebStarts. I'll have the link in the description, okay? You go there, you make a little page, okay, on whatever. You pick your niche. You want to personalize it, just make it about you, okay? Make a little blog, say about anything, woodworking, exercising, anything, okay? Pick your niche. Pick any niche, okay, just to get you started. Go to ClickBank. Sign up with a couple things on your niche, okay? And again, anything, just to get you started, just to get your feet wet, okay? And then make your Facebook fan page and put the information in, make it legit, you know, put the information in, make it legit, okay? And link it all together, okay? So you're going to go to eBay. Sign up with eBay. You don't have to sell anything. Okay. All right. Sign up to eBay. You don't have to sell anything. You got, if you wanted to sell it, you got, for the free account, you could sell 50 items a month for free. Okay. On eBay. And I still have that free account. I never bought a store. I made thousands of dollars on it over the years. Okay. So sign up for your Facebook, make a Facebook fan page. Okay, and then become an affiliate to eBay. Okay, become an affiliate to eBay, and then pick your niche. Okay, they got this Chrome extension called the Smart Share. All right, so let me pick something else. I got anything in there? Pocket knives. How about this? Crafting. I'll do my our other stuff, our rebellious creation. One thing. I don't want this video to get too long. Okay, casting. What do we got here? Let's see, real quick. Let's just do some jewelry and watches, okay? Now what you're going to want to do is you want to pick, I mean, you don't want to pick anything for $1, okay? Watches and watch parts. Come on now. All right, let's see if we can sort this. Best matched, highest, because you know, remember your affiliate, you got an affiliate thing going on, okay? So you're going to want to put up more expensive stuff. Right now I'm going to put this on here, but then I'm going to go back and I'm going to delete it because this is not the kind of jewelry that we sell. But for the sake of this video, okay, so again, you sign up to eBay Partner Network, get yourself a free website from webstarts.com. Okay, I have the link in the description. I'm an affiliate to them. You know, if you sign up to eBay through me, I'm not going to get nothing. There's no way to sign up to me. Their affiliate program isn't like that. Okay, you got to actually sell their products. Okay, so you make your Facebook page, you make your fan page, you sign up with eBay, become an affiliate. You're most likely going to have an eBay account to do that. Okay, so it's free. Okay, go to WebStarts, you make a page. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to have at the end of this video, if you hang out to the end of this video, I'm going to draw up a diagram of this, a quick study guide for this, and show you where you can get it and download it, okay? So now it's this quick. They got this extension on eBay Partner Network. Okay, if you go to Tools, okay, what is it? Is it the Smart Link one? Go to the Smart Links, okay. You'll install the Chrome extension. Smart Share, that's what it is, Smart Share. Okay. You got the Chrome extension. Alright, so we'll come here, Smart Share. Alright, now, you know, you pick your campaigns. Now from here, and you know, we can just shorten it for Facebook and their bullshit rules. They got a lot of rules, man. Okay, I've been working my computer. Let's see. All right, so here we go. So now, I don't want to take it to my main page. I want to take it to one of my fan pages. Okay, I think this is crapping out because I put my ugly face on this video tonight. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Okay, so we're going to go share on a page that you manage. Okay, share on a page that you manage. All right. So we're going to go to Mobella's Creations. Okay. And you can write something here. Not like that, but you can write something there. Yeah, that's, here we go. Share on a page. Mobella's Creations. Okay. Just thought I'd share. Alright, we're glitching out left and right. Even the old DOS Geek glitches out left and right. We're going to try this again. And you can actually just go on the page. See, when these things happen, you got to know how to recover from them. Okay? So this is glitching out. Probably because I got this video thing going, and because I got my microphone in front of my keyboard, so I'm hitting something. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to post that to Facebook without putting anything there. Okay, but you're always going to want to do that. You're always going to want to, you know, put something there. Talk to your people. But even if you don't have, you know, followers on Facebook, from there, you can actually run an ad to do it, okay? Alright, so let's see where it went. Okay, so that quickly, I've got my affiliate link, and then, like I said, I can go in here, I can edit the post, okay, which I'm probably going to delete it. Because my wife found out I was doing this, she wouldn't be too happy. Alright. And it's all, you know, on the fly, as we say. Alright. And the monster is going nuts today. The monster's going nuts. Save it. Bada boom. Okay. And that quickly you can do this. Now in my next video I'm gonna have a better format of this. I just came into this unscripted. I got a little excited, okay, about some stuff with my eBay account coming back online and my Facebook account coming back online all at once, okay? So just start out, get your feet wet, okay? And at the end of the video, I'm going to have the information for you on how to do this, a little bit better detail, okay? So this is Ray, the old DOS geek from rwcweb.com. Listen to me. You go to rwcweb.com, you put your email in that box, okay? Give me a like and a share and a notification button on Facebook, on whatever, on everywhere, okay? Losing my head here. On my YouTube channel, okay? I'll send you great stuff. I really want to teach you how to do this. Don't worry about things so much. Don't go crazy doing a million things at once. Just try and do one thing at a time. Just try and do one thing at a time. Okay, now, seems like it's a lot, and it is. It's a lot of work. Okay, don't get discouraged. Try and do what you know. Okay, try and do what you know, one step at a time. rwcweb.com. Get your email in that box on my list, and I shall send you oodles and oodles of stuff. You're going to love it. It's going to help you tremendously. I'm going to go over a lot of mistakes that I made and different things that I did. And just as you could see me just bouncing around, not being prepared to do this, that's one of the mistakes that you make. Because in affiliate marketing, you're going to be downloading gazillions of stuff. Okay, so now this video's gone a little bit too long. Again, I'm going to ask you to like and subscribe, sign up with me, and I'll take care of you as much as possible. Okay, take care.